Guys, we have created a new course, Value Investing, and we have brought this course for you in the pre-recorded format. Why we have created this course, which is 30 hours duration course. During many workshops on the valuation, and in fact, we give regular workshops on the valuation and stock market in economic times also. We get very common question from the participants. How to create a long-term wealth from the market? How to get consistent return from the market? And guys, to answer this, see, getting consistent return, there is no guarantee. But creating long-term wealth, earning long-term wealth from the market is definitely possible. So, we created this course to help candidates, to educate people how to do screening of the companies out of so many stocks, 5,000 of the companies listed in the market. So how we do proper screening. And then once we have decided good company to invest into based on our performance indicators using screener and all, how we can arrive at or how we can discover fair value of those companies to decide the right entry point. Because for creating a long-term wealth in the stock market, it's not just about finding the good company. It's about finding the good price also, good entry price. So we teach you both in this course, short and crisp course of 30 hours, where we'll teach you how to do filtration of the good companies. And then once you have done this filtration, how do we find fair value those companies using quick and short valuation methods. In fact, we have also used some templates for valuation. Those templates you can easily use with a limited knowledge of Excel. You don't need comprehensive knowledge of financial modeling in Excel to use those templates. So we created those templates in a way like you provide some basic information in those templates and you're good to go. So I hope you will enjoy this course, guys. See you in the course. And this, with the help of this course, see, the basic purpose of this creating this course is it should help you in creating some value for you. It should help you in creating a long-term wealth in your portfolio. So I hope you will enjoy this learning. Good luck.